Okay, sir.
Okay. So is my screen presented to everyone?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Question number 1, exercise 1.2. Who will read the question number 1?
सर कह रहे हैं
सर
डोलिया।
परियानी शफीक। सर परियानी शफीक।
Shafiq asked me for the first, so he will read first question.
Yes, sir. I read.
Yes.
Question number one. A book exhibition
Exhibition.
exhibition was held for for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the country on the first, second, third,
Oh
and
ભાઈ, sold at the counter છે. Counter એટલે શું? જ્યાં ટિકિટ વેચાતી હોય ડેસ્ક.
counter on the first, second, third, and finally days. Finally day
It's it's
was
final day, not finally day. શું વાંચે છે તું?
final day was res- what sir?
Who will read this question? Who is the other child can read this question?
Sir, can I Nagviragi Basan?
सर
Can
कहना
I?
है
Nakvi
समा
Ragib
मोहम्मद
Hassan.
जैद।
Nakvi Ragib Hassan. I took the name and that child will read the question.
Okay, sir. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days.
So who will tell me now what we have to do for this?
सर इसमें प्लस करने का है सबका
Yes.
और आंसर
See,
देख सकते।
સી એડિશન કરવાનું છે, સબટ્રેક્શન કરવાનું છે. હવે તમને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરેલું નહીં હોય. ઇટ વિલ બી નોટ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કે તમે પ્લસ કરો, માઇનસ કરો, મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો, ડિવાઈડ કરો. We have to understand the problem sums, okay, and we have to solve that. Are you getting my point? સમજ પડે છે?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So main thing what we have to do is we have to understand the problems. What is the problem sum belongs to? There was a book exhibition. There was a book exhibition which was held for 4 days in school. Yes, and a number of tickets sold at the counter for first, second, third, and final day. That means 4 days was respectively like this. Now what we have to see is we have to find the total number of tickets. Total number આવ્યું. Total number means what? આ બધાનું એડ કરીએ તો total મળે. That means our
Yes,
sum
sir.
is addition. Understood? Let us come to the answer column. Number of tickets sold on first day. Answer number 1. Number of tickets sold on the first day is 1094. Number of tickets sold on second day was 1812. Number of tickets sold on third day was 2050. Number of tickets sold on fourth day was 2751. So total tickets sold, that means we have to add all of them. Okay? Add all of them. Is that clear, boys? By adding all
Yes,
four
sir.
digits, total number of tickets sold will be 7,707. Therefore will be like this. Spelling માં લખવું જરૂરી નથી. So therefore will be, this is the symbol of therefore. 1 dot, 2 dot, and 3 dot. Understood like this. Therefore, 7,707 tickets were sold on all 4 days. Is that clear with the sum number 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt with
sir.
sum number 1? Any doubt with sum number 1?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo. Question number 2. Who is going to read question number 2?
Sir, can I read some Muhammad Zaid?
Muhammad Zayed, read question number 2, beta.
Shekhar is a famous cricket player.
Okay.
He has so
Yes.
he has so he has so far scored 6,098 runs in the
Hey,
test match.
bhai, 6,980 runs છે.
Six thousand nine hundred eighty runs in test match. He wishes to complete 1,000 runs.
10,000 runs.
10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need?
કોણ એક્સપ્લેન કરશે શું કરવાનું છે આમાં?
Sir, can I Nakvi Ragi Basan?
નકવી રાગી બચ્ચન, please explain this.
सर इसमें हमें माइनस करना है 10,000 माइनस 6,980.
Very good, but that is correct. We have to do that. But how can you explain me the content?
यस सर. सर इसमें शेखर को जितने मोर रन कितने चाहिए, तो उसके लिए अभी 6,980 तो हो गए हैं और उसको 10,000 करना है, तो हमें माइनस करना पड़ेगा 6,980 को, तो जो बचेगा वो उसको इतने रन करने हैं.
Have you all understood, boys? He is absolutely correct.
यस सर. यस सर.
Total he has to score. His dream is to reach up to 10,000 runs, right? Right? He already scored 6,980 runs. So we wanted to know how much more run does he has to score in this to get the total of 10,000. Are you getting? So to add that number, we have to subtract this 6,980 from 10,000. That's it. So let us check the answer. Runs to achieve is 10,000. Runs scored is 6,980, which has to be subtracted. So runs required to complete is 3,020. So again, therefore, he need 3,020 more runs to complete his 10,000. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Any doubt with this?
No sir. No sir.
તો બંને સમનો આન્સરનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ જોતો હોય તો લઈ લ્યો બેટા. Take the screenshot of this answer. Put the answers.
Sir, I am noting answer in my fair book. Means rough book.
Okay. Make it fast.
सर ले लिया.
सर ये लिखने का है सर ये.
अरे बाप रे बाप. Have a screenshot at the present moment. Chalo, question number 3.
Sir, I read Mohammad Raza.
Mohammad Raza, please read question number 3.
Okay, sir. In an election, the successful candidate registered 577,500 votes, and his nearest rival scored 348,700 votes by vote.
Hey, છોકરા, શું બધું ધક્કેલ પંચાલ આવે? How to read the numbers? 348,700 એમ રીડ થાય. 577,500 એવું રીડ થાય.
577,500
Who can read these numbers?
Sir, Priyani Shafiq.
Paryani Safiq, please read the whole question, beta.
Yes. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rivals secret, secured
Nearest rival
secured 3,48,700 votes. By what Margan did the successful
margin. By what
margin did the successful candidate win the election?
તમે લોકો 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં છો અને હજી તમને રીડ કરતા નથી આવડતું. રીડ. I don't know what's going to be next. You don't able to read the question properly. એકાદ બે ચલો ટફ વર્ડ્સ હોય એમાં મિસ્ટેક થાય, ઇટ્સ ઓકે. ઘણીવાર બધાથી થાય, ઇવન મારાથી પણ થાય. સો વોટ, બટ સાવ એક સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ રીડ ના કરી શકો તમે લોકો. And that boy 577,500. You don't know the place value. Exercise 1.1 we learn about place values according to Indian system and according to international system. તમને ધ્યાન હોય ને યાદ હોય તો આ કોઈ કોરોના વાળું પાસ આઉટ કે માસ પ્રમોશન નથી. લાસ્ટ હજી લેક્ચરમાં આપણે કર્યું છે. યાદ છે કે નથી? બોયઝ,
Yes, sir.
યાદ છે કે નથી? પ્લેસ વેલ્યુઝ
યાદ છે.
Now we have to just simply go through like this. Elections of candidate. હવે હું એક ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમારા ક્લાસમાં બે બોયઝને હું ઊભા કરીશ. ઓકે, ને બંનેને કહીશ કે I want one good monitor of the class. One good monitor in the class. And I will ask to the whole class to vote. Vote means tamara views apana. Who is more eligible? Who is good enough for you all to be a captain of your class? So you have to vote. એને શું કહેવાય? વોટ આપવું કહેવાય. For example, આનું નામ XYZ છે, right? અને આનું નામ છે ABC. Okay. Now, each one of you from the class has to vote. Vote means you have to give your views by in writing in the chat that this guy is more eligible for you all to be a captain. Okay. That is known as, in other words, we can say that is a voting for, or we can say the election part is going on to be a captain in the class. Are you getting? સમજાય તમને?
Yes, sir.
હવે મેં ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ આપી દીધા છે. જે કોઈને મેક્સિમમ વોટ આવે he will be elected as a captain of the class to be a captain for the whole year. So ક્લાસ વાળા શું કરશે? વોટિંગ આપશે, વોટ દેશે પોતાનો. Are you getting? સમજાય છે? સમજાય
Yes,
છે કે
sir.
નહીં? So if for example out of 60 students XYZ got 40 watts, how many watts he got? 40 watts. And ABC got 20 watts. Out of 60 students, one child got 40 and one child got 20. Okay, so who wins the election?
Sir, XYZ.
XYZ. Now XYZ wins the election. So nearest rival is what? Nearest rival secured how many watts? 20. This is nearest rival of XYZ. Are you getting? By what margin did the successful candidate wins the election? That means successful candidate vote is 40. The nearest rival vote is 20. By what margin he wins the election? 20 votes. Are you getting? समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
यस सर।
मार्जिन
के इसको कितने चाहिए और अगर वो जीत जाता?
नहीं, कितने चाहिए अगर वो जीत जाता नहीं? By what margin does the successful candidate wins the election? Election successful candidate already जीती गयो छे, समझी लियो। ये एवा કેટલા वोट થી
मींस
जीतो
कितने
छे?
से जीता?
हाँ, सो टोटल उसके पास कितने वोट्स थे? 40। उसके ऑपोजिशन के पास कितने वोट थे? 20। सो वो टोटल 20 वोट्स के मार्जिन से जीता। आर यू गेटिंग?
यस सर।
समझ में आ गया सबको? ऑल ऑफ यू बॉयज?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
So same thing happens for 5,77,500. That is the winning candidate voting, what he got, and the nearest candidate was with what amount of votes? 3,48,700 votes. So if we subtract 3,48,700 from 5,77,500, you will get the margin of the successful candidate. સમજમાં આવ્યું બધાને?
यस सर। यस
કે
सर।
નહીં? Sure boys?
सर આવી ગયું। यस सर।
Check the answer number 3. How to write in fair book, how to write in rough book, how to solve the sum. Problem sums છે એટલે statements and conclusion compulsory છે. ડાયરેક્ટ આવી રીતે સમ કરેલો હશે તો માર્ક્સ નહીં મળે. Is that clear?
यस सर।
Number of votes secured by a successful candidate is 5,77,500. Number of votes secured by the nearest rival is 3,48,700. Okay? So, margin between them is,
Yes, sir.
if we subtract, it will be 2,28,800. That will be the difference of margin through what the successful candidate wins the election. Is that clear? So therefore, the successful candidate won by the margin of 2,28,800 votes. Any doubt with sum number 3? Boys, any doubt with sum number 3?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo, question number 4. Who will read this question number 4?
Sir, Biryani Shafiq.
Okay, question number 4. Shafiq will read question number 4, beta, please.
Sir. Karti bookstore sold.
Kirti, Karti nathi, જોઈ લ્યો તો બરાબર read કરો.
Kirti bookstall sold book worth 2,85,891 in the first week for June and books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much?
So what we have to do in this, who is the smart child in the class that he can understand the question, what has to be done in this exactly?
Sir, what is meant by worth?
Yes, beta.
Sir, what is meaning of word worth?
વર્થ રૂપીસ એટલે આટલાનું પૂરતું વેચાણ એમ. વર્થ રૂપીસ એટલે પૂરતું આટલું વેચાણ એમ. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? કીર્તિ
Yes, sir.
બુક સ્ટોર સોલ્ડ બુક્સ વર્થ રૂપીસ એટલે કેટલાની એક્ઝેક્ટલી વેચી? તો કે સોલ્ડ બુક ફોર રૂપીસ. In the place of worth we can use for also. Rupees
3,48,700.
છોકરા ક્યાં વાંચવા માંડ્યો પાછો? 2,85,891 in the first week of June.
Oh, sorry, sir.
ચલો હવે કોણ એક્સપ્લેન કરશે શું કરવાનું છે? ગર્લ્સે તો એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું હો મને. ફ્રેન્કલી સ્પીકિંગ ગર્લ્સે એના મનથી એક્સપ્લેન કર્યો સમ. ને એ લોકોએ કીધું પણ કે શું કરવાનું છે સર આમાં. કેમ કે ખાલી પ્લસ અને માઇનસ તમે બોલશો તો હું તમને સામેથી એમ કહીશ કે રોંગ. બહુ બધું નવારું લાગે. Come on, boys. Nobody?
No, sir.
So Kirti books sold worth rupees this much for the first week and this 4 lakh somewhat amount for the second week, right? How much was sale for 2 weeks together? Means આપણે પહેલા તો પ્લસ કરવાનું છે. 2 weeks together આવ્યું એટલે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
પહેલો સ્ટેપ આપણે શું કરવાનો? પ્લસ.
Plus.
Then what is the next question? In which week was the sale greater? સેલ ગ્રેટર એટલે બંનેમાંથી કયા વીકમાં ગ્રેટર અમાઉન્ટનું વેચાણ છે? સેકન્ડ
Sir,
વીક.
second week.
So we have to show them comparison between both the weeks.
Yes, sir.
Second step. And third step, by how much it is written. એટલે by how much કરવું હોય to check out by how much. Our job is to do subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Subtraction of what? From the second week to the first week. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
The difference will be our margin. That by this
Yes,
margin.
sir.
So in this sum, we have to do 3 different sums in a single sum. Let us come
Yes,
to the
sir.
answer column. Answer number 4. Books sold in first week 2,85,891. Books sold in first week. Have you all got this? Books sold in second week was 4,768,000. The total book was sold by adding 6,86,659 for both the weeks. Am I clear with the first step?
Yes, sir.
Now, since 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891, therefore, which week the sale is greater?
Sir, second week.
Second week. Therefore, sale of second week is greater than that of first week. Is that clear? This is the second step we cleared. And the last
Yes,
is
sir.
books sold in second week minus books sold in first week. Books sold in second week, books sold in first week, you will get more books sold in the second week is 1,14,877. Therefore 1,14,877 more books were sold in second week. Have you all got the answer number 4?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with answer 4?
No, sir.
Answer number 3 and 4 no screenshot ले लियो बेटा.
सर 4 का लिया क्योंकि इसमें ज्यादा लिखना है इसीलिए 3 का तो नोट कर लिया.
Okay, no problem. What about other children? What about other children? Boys, I am waiting for your response.
Sir, mic is mute.
How is it possible? Are you all not getting my voice, boys?
Yes, sir, getting.
What about other children? You all got this answer number 4?
Sir, I got.